This guide will walk you through filling out the Section 125 POP Non-Discrimination Testing Template. It covers how to navigate subjective questions, data explanations, and answer types to ensure accuracy and compliance. Navigate to the RTO Benefits website to download the Section 125 POP Non-Discrimination Test Template. Locate the Subjective Questions section within the template. Expand the section to view all prompts. Read each question carefully to understand what information is being asked. Enter your responses directly into the provided fields. Use the answer type format located to the right of the input answer column so responses are easy to interpret. Detailed explanations for each column are provided below the input fields. Please sure to reference to ensure you are answering each question correctly. After completing this section, move to the next stage. Navigate to the Data Explanations tab. Read through the explanations to understand the data requirements for each field. Accurately input the requested data. Double-check entries for typos, errors, or omissions. Ensure values align with the explanations provided. Once complete, proceed to the Answer Type section. Review the available formats for responses. Select the appropriate answer type for each question based on your data. Ensure consistency between your written answers and the chosen formats. Save your progress regularly to avoid data loss. Open the Section 125 Data tab. Now you're ready to start inputting your data. We will go over what each column input is required. Employee ID. Use any unique alphanumeric employee ID. These values are not stored in the system. They are only used for reference to a row of data. Annual employer contributions and payroll deductions. This is the total of all employer contributions on behalf of the employee and the employee's pre-tax deductions for the entire plan year. If the individual is terminated within the testing year, only enter their contributions to the date of termination. Prior year annual compensation. Enter the annual compensation for the previous plan year, i.e., for calendar year 2025, enter compensation from 2024. Compensation will include base salary, bonuses, commissions, etc. Do not include just base salary. It is asking for gross income. For new hires, enter projected current year compensation. Does this employee have ownership in the company? Enter percentage of ownership. Enter this same percentage for any other employee that is a spouse or dependent of this owner. See definition on the second tab. Do not use percent signs. Is this employee an officer? Enter yes if the employee was considered an officer of the company in the prior plan year. Enter yes for any other employee that is a spouse or dependent of this officer. See definition on the second tab. Is this employee ineligible? Enter yes if the employee is not eligible to participate in the POP plan. If there is an entry in column B, there should not be a yes in this column. Is this employee excludable? Enter yes if the employee is one of the three categories. 1. Employees covered by a collectively bargained plan if cafeteria plan benefits were the subject of bargaining. 2. Non-resident aliens with no U.S. source income from the employer. And 3. Employees participating in the cafeteria plan under a COBRA continuation provision. Excludable means, can this employee be removed from one of the tests? It is different than the ineligible column question previously. This guide walked you through filling out the Section 125 NDT template by covering subjective questions, data explanations, and answer types. It emphasized accuracy, clarity, and thorough review to ensure a complete and correct submission. You are now ready to upload this template for Section 125 non-discrimination testing.